Hello and welcome to my demonstration video on all the different HTTP request things I have. So first to start out, I'm going to update a thing in the database. So if I show the context here, we have like this name. Let's say I want to just update like the last name. Update it there. Cool. So then if I send the request, so cool, the code goes back, cool, at here, and then you can see it updated there. Awesome. Let's say I want to add a person in the database. So the contact successfully went in. If you look here, and then it works there as well, which is fantastic. But let's say we want to delete this. So I'll take this little ID that I have right here. And then I run that. Go back to contacts again. And there we go. You can see it deleted. And then basically the same thing with the render ones work as well with posting. So if I want to like update it or whatever, I can switch her back to her maiden name, and then like that would work. We see you did that. We can do. We can add one. Cool. And then we can double check. It should be a duplicate. And then the same thing works for the delete. So hopefully you enjoy that video.